Another option in a hair material is specular. Select the plane, go to the simulation, add hair. And for see the specular, it's a highlight that when you move the hair is appearing on hair, there is specular. It's a highlight, color, a white highlight that you can colorize, of course. For seeing that, you can see we have lights seen in our scene, but we don't have nice specular. For seeing the specular, it's better to comb or move the hair to better seeing that. Go into the tool, brush. For example, I brush some hair in this direction, also in this direction. And I think if you render, you can see specular better. Nice. You can see these white color are specular. It's a highlight in real life. Okay. Changing the highlight up. We can make it a little too. If you, because of the area light and the shadow, let's turn it off. I'm recording also. Okay, let's select the light and shadow none and render it. It render faster. Nice. You can see highlight the specular on the hair when we move and we change the position. If you double click on the hair material, you can control this specular in a specular channel. First, you can change the color, any color that you want, you can assign the specular. In this case, it's nice to better seeing that. We have a strength and the sharpness. If you make it 0, the sharpness, the specular go along the hair and it's completely fill the hair and it's not good. The strength is how power this is, the power of this specular that you want. The sharpness broken the, you can see the specular to some pieces. If you increase that, you can see we have less, and it's distribute the highlight along the hair, so it's more natural. And we can give a texture to that. You can add a black and white code to control which part do you want to assign the specular and which one you don't need to. You can see we have an also secondary specular. I turn it completely off to just see the this specular. You can see because this noise is too high, we scale it up. Then scale it to, I can make it need more contrast. You can see in a black area, I think it's a texture, you can make it 2D texture to better see now. Yeah, we can see in a white area or in the black area, we don't have any specular. In the white area, we have a specular. You can control with that black and white code. Clear to show all the specular. And we have another specular to make it more realistic. It's secondary specular. Let's add another specular to your object. You can see it's a completely white specular, but you cannot control the color of it. It's become from the color, main color. And again, you can control it with a black and white code. Back specular, it means if we have a hair and a light source at the back of the hair, it's controlled that specular that in a natural way. Okay, we can increase this number, but this number is nice for. But if you turn it to the 0, you cannot see any effect. You can see the little specular at the back of the hair, like a backlit color. but 90 is nice for in this case. Okay, this is an specular. It's very straightforward. You can reset all. The white is natural specular at the hair. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.